Hello all, welcome back to Karmapala session. Today we are going to address the process which is driving you to attain the end result. The end result is determined, decided. So how you are going to convert the end result in your favor and what all the steps that you are going to do to make sure the end result is not harming you too much. These are all the things which we are going to discuss. So when we talk about the path of Karmapala, we know that the trouble won't stop. Today we talk about a fact and the factor called time. The time is very important. If the time is not good, whatever you do, you will not get. That's what people call it as time. So there is nothing called astrology which can change your time, or there is nothing in any other way you can change your time. The only way you will know what has to be done for all the miseries is by learning your process within from your heart. For example, I quote those who understand cricket again. I quote Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You see how cool he is, whatever it is. He goes to a Guruji, he talks to somebody else. Behind stems, that silence is what it makes him, making him to achieve whatever he desires. He is knowing when what call he has to take. Why? Because that is a classic example. Whether by knowingly or unknowingly he is doing, I really don't know. But these are all the people which they know when he has to get married without even waiting for anybody else, he got married urgently. When he has to quit from ODI, he has taken a call. When he has to come out of a test match, he has already done. So these things, he is knowing it. His Karmapala, he knows it. This is a classic example of people who actually introspect themselves. Maybe he is doing it or not, but he has told his calmness very clearly establishes that he takes profit or loss, pain or gain into his own stride. There is no second thought about it. So the matter how you take the things into your stride is what which is very important. When the profit comes, you will be happy, but when the loss comes, you will be disappointed. That's not the way that you can take the things for any purpose. Having said that, everybody, including me, will be taking in that way only. But what happens? The calmness within you should come. How to handle the success and failure. Failure and success are part of it. When the failure comes, success will come. When the success comes, failure is bound to come. There is no second thought about it. Always Dhoni cannot say, we cannot say that he has been succeeded. He also failed. He also did make some mistakes, but he understood that he was doing mistakes. Only thing he did is he had followed the instructions within his heart, within his soul, or within his inner energy. This is something else. The energy which is coming from inside is what we should focus upon. You know, while I am talking to you, you people might be getting a lot of anticipation that why it is not happening to me, what are the things which is stopping my achievement. People can easily see the scrolling message which is coming in this. So you can call or you can actually send a mail, you can contact us and you can ask your queries. Whatever the way we can possible, we will address your queries. We are not any Gurujis or we are not any other astrologer. Only thing what we are trying to do in this program is the experience. It's a practical experience. You come, you open up your heart, you tell this problem, it is addressed. You don't want to come into con call or video call or Zoom call, you can just send your problems in your mails. We will address that. We will just see what possible extent you can avoid those things and how you come out of that difficulties and what all the ways that you have to follow to maintain a balance between success and failure. That is the fundamental thing which you all should know about the internal energy. So let us go ahead and keep talking about what all the things which we should follow while we count the time which is going to convert to us. As I said, time is what it is very important. Time is essence in every aspect of your life. Time has to decide when, how and what things have to be achieved. The things which you are focusing may not get desired result unless your time is proper and appropriate. I think I am getting a call from a viewer. Let me see and what is his need. I will attend to it. Hello, welcome to Karma Pala show. May I know who is that?
Hi sir, this is Arjun Desai from Delhi sir.
Yeah, Arjun Desai, how are you? How is your life in Delhi?
Yes sir, it's going on good sir.
Yeah.
So there is blessing of yours.
Yeah, please share your concerns with us.
Yes sir. Sir, as you said, from the childhood I am doing good things, good deeds. I am practicing good things. But something which I step into, there will be failure and disappointment. Why it is so sir? Please explain.
Arjun, may I know your age?
So I am around 35 sir.
35. So you are telling till now whatever you have done has only ended resulting into failure, right?
Yes, of course sir.
So what is that you have been doing to control the failure?
Sir, as you said, I used to do meditation from morning, and I do some spiritual practice. Even then, I'm not getting a good result.
All right. No, I only told I am not curing your problem. I have been telling you, I am only telling how you have to bear with your problem. Maybe your time, which is very important for anybody to strike the chord, has not yet arrived. But it will hint you that the time is going to come. I am not saying you do meditation. I am only saying please understand the difference between what others preach and what I tell. I only tell please go and listen to your inner heart. That is your inner side of your heart. Whatever it tells you, do it. Meditation is something else. Yes, close your eyes and just keep focusing on something. That is even good. But when you are doing this, what you are doing is you please practice. Before you close your eyes, you put your problems within you and then do meditation or do close your eyes. Then see, after coming out of your 5 minutes or 10 minutes of meditation, you will be perhaps getting some hint, the result, that what is the next step for me. You may not get success immediately or you may not get failure continuously. It is the process which you are undergoing. Nobody can. You are in the path, you are flying, you are in the aircraft, you are flying, a turbulence is coming en route. You cannot avoid, you have to pass through, you have to wear your seat belt, you have to go. Turbulence, when it will stop, after the entire disturbance gets, and then only it will stop. So what I am telling you is that how to bear with the turbulence. I am only telling you, your inner heart will tell the right path to be followed during this time. So you are doing good things, the good things have to come to you. You deserve to get good things because you are very young. So you are bound to get good things. But when, where, how and all is time only will talk about that. My only thing is that only by following this Karma Pala practice, you come to know in advance or you come to know what is that you have to do. That is what we are making you to face the challenges. This is only to make sure that you face the challenges with guts. So from today, from next 1 week, you try to put your problems before you start meditating or closing your eyes. And then solutions will come automatically within a week's time. You just check whether it is coming to you or not, and then you call me after a week's time and then tell what is that next step. It will give you a hint. You will get that hint that the direction is towards this side or some other side. I think you got what I am telling.
No sir, as of now, as you said, it's good, but how to judge my call? Like as you said, like how I get my, that inner question and answer.
See, it is as simple as when you started driving a two-wheeler, you require balancing first. You will focus on balancing and then you will concentrate on your driving speed and then your brake. all these things have to be synchronized. The synchronization of your mind and body gives you some energy. That energy is something else which will tell what is there you have to follow in the next maybe a year or maybe 2 years, maybe 6 months, maybe 1 week, whatever it is. But that hint you will get, if your problem is on some specific things, which I don't want to talk at in open, but if your problem is on specific thing, you will get an answer. Suppose assuming that you have a financial problem, assume that you have a financial problem. In this situation, financial problems, banks, loans or something else is there which you cannot able to repay. Assume that that is a condition which I am hypothetically taking. Maybe I am not aware whether the problem is, what is the problem with you. If I take this problem, what happens? Your financial problem is not going to make a much change within the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 year. But what will happen is, you will get the support of some people. Over a period of 1 week, somebody will knock your door, somebody will come and somebody will tell, look, you are doing something wrong. Please approach the bank and work for some reschedule of payment and get the interest deferred or something else, some work will come to you. This is, during this course of time, you will get automatically some force which will be guiding. Please check it out. They are like this. Your problem is something specific. It is relating to marriage or it is relating to some other business issues. You put your problems. The problem is, I am facing this problem. How I am going to come out of this? Before getting into that meditation process, 1 week, you may be getting in the first day also possible, you may be getting in the last day also. Try that over a period of 1 week. Once you get an answer, that problem, you just send us a mail that I got an intimation that what is the next step you have to follow.
Yes, sir, sure. I'll do that and I'll get back to you, sir. Sure.
Okay, wishing you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Thank you.
So this is the viewer's call. Here he is actually saying that right from the beginning he has been doing good deeds, but he is not successful in things whatever he wants to achieve it. So as I said, this time is something which is very important thing today. The time aspect is, you have to understand, it talks about the current, it talks about the past, it talks about the future. So today the time aspect is something which determines everybody's fate. Once you know the time, then you will not even worry about anything else. But the time when, that is a question, that is a thrilling, that is a session that you will come to know within your energy. You will try to get an answer to it. So I hope this is a message which you all should understand. Unless the time comes in your way, you cannot get away from whatever the issues you are. Because you get into this, you have to come out of, that's all it is. Like I said, you have got into the aircraft. Rarest of rare, aircraft will have a mid-air clash or it will be missing. It is very rare. But 99.99% all aircrafts which is passing through the stormy weather, cloudy weather or foggy weather, whichever the way turbulences, they come out of it, they land safely. That is what it is. Finally, end is successful. For that, you will have a forbearance. That forbearance is something which you derive from inside. I hope you got an answer to it.